Hello again. Today it's time to learn Russian numbers. You probably know them already, that's why we're learning not just numbers, we are also learning time. How to say time and how to schedule a date in Russian. So first of all, let's learn numbers, because not everybody knows them, right? Numbers are pretty easy until you start to change them into cases, but don't think about it yet. We will just learn the numbers. So just look at this, maybe try to read what's written in Russian. I'm not writing that in English because I suppose that you learn alphabet first and then you go watch this video. That's why everything is going to be in Russian, but look at that and repeat after me. Один. Один. Два. Два. Три. Три. Четыре. Четыре. Пять. Пять. Шесть. Шесть. Семь. Семь. Восемь. Восемь. Девять. Девять. Десять. Десять. Okay, that was the probably some 10 first numbers that you really need to learn by heart. Everything else is going to be a little bit easier. It will build up one on another one. So, further. Одиннадцать. Oh, now I will just pronounce them, and if you want to repeat them after me, just pause the video and repeat. It will be really good for you if you do repeat. Alright, let's go. Одиннадцать. Одиннадцать. Двенадцать. Двенадцать. Тринадцать. Тринадцать. Четырнадцать. Четырнадцать. Пятнадцать. Пятнадцать. Шестнадцать. Шестнадцать. Семнадцать. Семнадцать. Восемнадцать. Восемнадцать. Девятнадцать. Девятнадцать. Двадцать. Двадцать. So you notice this tsat in the end. So this tsat just means that it's one of the ones from 11 to 19. So the next ones, like 20, 30, and so on, they will have the 2, 3, 4, and so on number and dесять in them. So it will be 2, 10, 3, 10, something like that, kind of. So that will be двадцать, тридцать, сорок, that's different, sorry, that's just different, пятьдесят, шестьдесят, восемьдесят, девяносто, and then сто. And when you want to say numbers that are combined, for example 21, you say 21. Same that in English. 21, 22, 23, and so on. 31, 32, 41, 51, 63, and so on. Everything is the same. Very easy. Let's try to name a few. You try. What is this? Maybe you were right. 135. What is this? I hope you got that one too. 154. What is this? 100. 83. What is this? That was easy, right? 25. This. 198. Alright, I hope that you got a tiny bit of practice. Try to do a little more by yourself. Let's get to the talk about time. So, time is quite an interesting topic because the word o'clock exists and it changes. The word o'clock changes into 4 different forms, unfortunately. Let's learn them. Один час, 2 часа, 3 часа, 4 часа, 5 часов, 6 часов, 7 часов, 8 часов, and everything else will be часов. But when we come to 21, for example, that will be 21 час, 22 часа, 23 часа, 24 часа. And yes, we use those huge numbers. We use them because we don't have AM and PM. That's why when we write numbers, we actually write them like 19, it's 7 p.m. But if we write just 7, that means it's 7 a.m. So please, when you write that you want a date at 7, don't write actual 7, write 19. Unless you want a date in the morning, which is probably unlikely. We also have these nice words, утро, which transfers to утром, день, днем, вечер, вечером. So let's try. Exciting. Repeat after me. Давай встретимся. Хорошо. Давай. Во сколько? В 7 часов вечером. Хорошо. Давай в 7 часов. Also, imagine somebody is asking you, во сколько ты хочешь встретиться? And you say at 8 in the evening. But you want to say a big number because you forgot how to say evening. And then you say в 20 часов. В 20 часов. Okay, so now you're all set with time, and now you can go and set your first date. But don't forget to ask your girl if she speaks English, because probably you're not there yet if you're watching this video. So please, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and have fun learning Russian. Goodbye, guys. Good luck.